Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to learn about the first interrogative pronoun who, which is used as singular as well as plural. आज हम पहले सवालिया इसमें ज़मीर who के बारे में सीखने जा रहे हैं, जो कि वाहिद के तौर पर भी इस्तेमाल होता है और जमा के तौर पर भी। वाहिद के तौर पर इसके मानी कौन या किसने हम करते हैं उर्दू में, और जमा में हम किन्होंने या कौन या किन्होंने हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं। The structure of who sentences is always affirmative. We use a simple format of the present indefinite tense in this kind of sentences, just like affirmative sentence. Who plus present form of the verb plus s or es. We add s or es to the present form of the verb and put the object at the end and the interrogative sign. Now, for your convenience, I have already written those sentences on the whiteboard so that our time may be less consumed. कौन उन्हें पढ़ाता है? Who teaches them? Who, as I told you, who will always serve as subject in the sentence and will be used at the beginning of the sentence. Teach is the verb in the present form with which we have added es to that form of the verb, and them are the object over here. Who teaches them? कौन पढ़ाता है उन्हें या कौन उन्हें पढ़ाता है? Similarly, कौन उसे अद्वियात मुहैया करता है? कौन उसे अद्वियात मुहैया करता है? Who provides him medicines? Who will become the subject, provides will become the verb, him is the second object over here or casual object, whereas medicines are the real object. As we have learnt about the real object, second object and adjacent object. In today's sentences, we will try to use all of kinds of the objects in our sentences. But gradually we will proceed from simple to the more complex or complicated sentences. कौन दूसरों को मुतासिर करने की कोशिश करती है? कौन दूसरों को मुतासिर करने की कोशिश करती है? Who tries to impress others? Who will serve here as the subject of the sentence, यानी कौन कोशिश करती है दूसरों को मुतासिर करने की. Tries will become the verb one. To serves here as a preposition. Impress is the verb second. Who tries to impress others? Who will become the subject of the sentence. Tries is verb one, to is the preposition, impress is the verb second, and others is the real object over here. Who tries, कौन कोशिश करती है to impress, मुतासिर करने की others, दूसरों को. कौन दूसरों को मुतासिर करने की कोशिश करती है? Who tries to impress others? कौन हर वक्त टीवी देखना नापसंद करते हैं? Mostly parents do not like their kids to watch the TVs all the time. Who dislike to watch TV all the time? Who will become the subject over here? Dislike is verb one, to is a preposition, watch is verb second. The TV is the real object over here. All the time is the adverb of time. Adverb of time. We will add only adv.t. कौन हर वक्त टीवी देखना नापसंद करते हैं? Who dislike to watch TV all the time? कौन हमें ग्रामर पढ़ाने का वादा करता है? Who promises to teach us grammar? Who will serve here as a subject. Promises verb one, to preposition, teach verb second, us is the second object over here, our casual object, and grammar is the real object in this sentence. Who promises, कौन वादा करता है to teach us, हमें पढ़ाने का grammar. कौन हमें ग्रामर पढ़ाने का वादा करता है? कौन हक का साथ देने की कसम खाते हैं? कौन हक का साथ देने की कसम खाते हैं? Who swear to stand by truth? Who will serve here as the subject of the sentence. Swear is verb one, to is preposition, stand by is a phrasal verb which serves as verb second over here, and the truth is the real and only object in the sentence. Who swear to stand by truth? कौन हक का साथ देने की कसम खाते हैं? Now we will proceed to a little bit more difficult sentences using who. कौन उन्हें उस उस्ताद से ग्रामर सीखने का मशवरा देते हैं? कौन उन्हें उस उस्ताद से ग्रामर सीखने का मशवरा देते हैं? Who suggests them? कौन उन्हें मशवरा देते हैं to learn grammar, ग्रामर सीखने का from that teacher, उस उस्ताद से. Here who will always serve as the subject one. Suggest is the verb one. Them here serves as object one for the subject one and subject second for the verb second and object second, which is grammar of a real object. From serves here as a preposition and that teacher is a casual object 3. Now in this sentence we have used 2 subjects and 3 objects at the same time. Pay attention to it again. कौन उन्हें उस उस्ताद से ग्रामर सीखने का मशवरा देते हैं? Who suggests them? कौन उन्हें मशवरा देते हैं to learn grammar, ग्रामर सीखने का from that teacher, उस उस्ताद से. कौन अली को नजमा की बेगुनाही का कायल करने की कोशिश करता है? कौन अली को नजमा की बेगुनाही का कायल करने की कोशिश करता है? Who tries to convince Ali of Najma's innocence? Who will serve here as the subject. Tries is the verb one. To is preposition. Convince is verb second. Ali. Ali is the second object over here. Of serves as preposition. Najma's innocence is our real object. Najma's innocence. Innocence here is the object of the noun Najma. That is why we have taken it as our real object. कौन अली को नजमा की बेगुनाही का कायल करने की कोशिश करता है? कौन बच्चों को कड़ी धूप में पतंग उड़ाने से मना करते हैं? Mostly parents forbid their children to fly kites in the sunshine or the blazing sun. कौन बच्चों को कड़ी धूप में पतंग उड़ाने से मना करते हैं? Who forbid the children to fly kites in the hot sunshine? Who serve here as the subject of the sentence. Forbid is verb one. Who is subject one here? The children are object one for the subject one and at the same time they serve as subject second for the verb second and the object. Preposition. Fly is verb second. Kites are the real object over here. Or object second, we can also term it as object second. In the hot sunshine is an adjective phrase. Is an adjective phrase. इसमें सिफत का मुहावरा या फिक्रा. Who forbid the children? कौन मना करते हैं बच्चों को to fly kites पतंग उड़ाने से in the hot sunshine कड़ी धूप में? कौन बच्चों को कड़ी धूप में पतंग उड़ाने से मना करते हैं? Who forbid the children to fly kites in the hot sunshine? कौन नजमा को अली के हादसे के बारे में बताने से हिचकिचाते हैं? कौन नजमा को अली के हादसे के बारे में बताने से हिचकिचाते हैं? Who hesitate to tell Najma about Ali's accident? Who hesitate to tell Najma about Ali's accident? Pay attention to the order of the words. Who will serve here as subject one. Hesitate verb one. Preposition. Tell is verb second. Simultaneously used by the same subject one. Najma here is our casual object. About Ali's accident, it is also termed as an adjacent object or the real object. We will term it the real object for convenience. About Ali's accident. About here serves as preposition and we can say Ali's accident, we can term it as a real object. कौन नजमा को बताने से हिचकिचाते हैं? क्या बताने से? About Ali's accident, अली के हादसे के बारे में. Who hesitate to tell Najma about Ali's accident? कौन नजमा को अली के हादसे के बारे में बताने से हिचकिचाते हैं? कौन उन्हें अली को असलम की हिमायत करने से मना करने पर मजबूर करने से इनकार करते हैं? Dear students, you will find this sentence a little bit more difficult just because we have used lots of verbs over here. Subject 1. Refuse is our verb 1. 2 is preposition. Compel, majboor karna is our verb 2nd. Them here serves both functions. It serves as subject 1 for the subject 1 and subject 2nd for the object 2nd. Now pay attention, 2 is our preposition, for which is our verb 3 over here. Ali. Ali is again serving two purposes. It serves as object 2nd for the subject 2nd, and at the same time it serves as subject 3rd or 3 for the object 3. 2 is a preposition, standby is our verb 4, and aslam is our object 3. Now in this sentence we have used 3 subjects and 3 objects at the same time. Just pay attention to its translation as well as English. कौन उन्हें अली को असलम की हिमायत करने से मना करने पर मजबूर करने से इनकार करते हैं? लास्ट वन इज कौन तुम्हें इस किस्म के पेचीदा फिक्रे पढ़ाता है? Who teaches you such kind of complicated sentences? Who serve here as the subject 1. Teach is the verb 1. You is the second object or a casual object. We can term that. Such kind of complicated sentences. All of this is served here as an adjective phrase. We can term it as an adjective phrase to make it an easy one for you. Who teaches you such kind of complicated sentences? Such is an adjective, kind is also an adjective, of is a preposition, complicated is a past participle adjective over here, and sentences is the real object over here. But we have termed all the rest of the sentence as adjective phrase for convenience. Who teaches you? कौन पढ़ाता है तुम्हें? Such kind of complicated sentences. इस किस्म के पेचीदा फिक्रे. कौन तुम्हें इस किस्म के पेचीदा फिक्रे पढ़ाता है? Well, that was, I think, enough for today. I think you will have a better understanding of using who in the present indefinite tense, so that you can use it in your daily conversation with your friends and families members, as well as at your school. Thank you for today.